Hey y'all, in today's video, I will be reviewing this unit that I received from ISEE Hair. This is their Princess Series collection, and the texture that I received is a 24-inch ocean wave texture. This unit did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked. I noticed that the hairline on this unit kind of already looks like it has a widow's peak on it, which I don't mind because I feel like it gives it more of a natural hairline look. So the first thing that I'm doing is cutting the air tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Now I'm cutting my lace into 3 sections. This is how I like to cut my lace because I find it easier to install my wig this way. To install my wig today, I am using the Bold Hold Active Lace Glue, and I will be applying 2 layers of that glue. I'm using my blow dryer on a medium heat setting to semi-dry the glue, kind of make it tacky enough for me to lay my lace down. When it's time to lay my lace down, I like to make sure that the hairline on the lace is laid down directly on top of where I applied my glue. Then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the hot heat setting to make sure that the glue is fully dried. Then I'm going to do that same process to the other 2 sides of the lace. Now that the lace is glued down, I do like to go in with my Even Firm Hold spray and apply that spray directly on the hairline just for that extra melt and extra security. During this process, you do want to make sure that the adhesive spray is fully dry before you go in with your headband. And this is because when it is not fully dried and you still apply the headband down with heat, when it's time to take the headband off, it will leave a sticky residue and it will also leave a white residue that you do not want. I'm going in with my satin headband, and I typically go in with my blow dryer as well, but this time I just let the headband sit for about 25 minutes before I took it off. Now it's time to cut the lace off, so I'm going in with my Kiss razor to cut the lace off. And I love using the razor because it just gives the lace a very natural look. Also, I do cut my lace in sections, starting with that middle section, because it's just so much easier for me to cut the lace this way. And also, it really helps me to really focus on one section at a time and really focus on like little details as well. Now I'm going back in with that Eben Firm Hold spray, and I'm just going to apply that spray on the areas of the lace that did not fully glue down. I'm going back in with my elastic band, and I'm also going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting. And this step really helps to melt the lace down. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend my lace with my skin tone. Here I'm just showing y'all how the curls initially looked on this unit before I went in to style it. To get the wig nice and flat, I'm going in with my Kerakill wax stick, and I'm applying that to the hairline area and the middle part area. I'm also going in with my hot comb on the hottest heat setting, and I'm just hot combing the top of my wig and making sure that it is just nice and flat. Although I feel like the curls on this unit is actually cute, it just has like this fluffy feel and look to it, I still decided to go in with my wand curler to style the hair. I went in with my ISO Plus Oil Sheen Spray to add some shine and luster to the hair. Now I'm just picking up random pieces of the hair and pulling the curls apart. I'm going in with the Ebin Wig Knots Concealer to enhance my parting space. At this point, I'm just trying to figure out how I want to style this hair. I really wasn't feeling the way that the curls came out, so I decided to go for a side part instead. And here is how the unit came out with the side part, and I feel like the side part style looks so much better. One thing that I really liked about this unit was the lace. The lace was so nice, and it was definitely giving HD lace. I don't feel like the hair can hold a tight curl too well. However, if you're more of a loose wave, loose curl type of girl, I feel like that style goes so well with this unit. Lastly, I really loved how soft this hair actually was, and it was just so easy to rub my fingers through. It even looks soft. It has like this fluffy, soft type of look to it, which I love. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.